Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 6 trades. Today's date is October the 31st and I'm using my new Pro Trader trading system. Now every morning at 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer here where this vertical line is, and I'm checking out all these different instruments, Forex and futures. And of course, I'm taking a look at my daily trade plan. You must have a daily trade plan or you will fail at trading. Now, every one of these trades I taken directly from the daily trade plan, as you can clearly see. So remember, it's very important that you doesn't have to be exactly like this, but you must have a daily trade plan recommending either whether you should be buying and or selling. So anyhow, now we can get into these trades. First one I did was the dollar CAD here. Wanted to be buying it according to my daily trade plan. Just have to wait for a bit of a pullback, which I waited, and then of course it went up and down and went back up. As it was coming back down, I decided to close out the trade. Now let's see, it got in at this cursor here. And I closed it out at this cursor, looks like with about 17 pips. And those 17 pips paid out $1,243. And of course my super signal indicator said to buy all these blue arrows. The red ones, well, you have to know when you should be buying and or selling. So the red ones in this situation, unless it meets some of my rules, until that point, I'm only thinking about buying and going in the direction of the daily trade plan. Moving right along to the next trade, the Dow Jones. Now this one here, I want it to be selling. There's the arrow. All the rest of my trades were sells, by the way. And as you can clearly see, the futures move the most and pay the most. I took the money and divided it by 5 because it pays $5 for each tick. And got in at this point, went sideways, up, and what time was this? 8:45, so no matter which way you look at it, you just never know. Market's very random, and you never know when it's going to give a big push. But daily trade plan said to sell, so I sold it. Calculator says it should be 45. There it is right there, 45 ticks times the $5 times the number of lots. Paid out $2,250. And don't you just love this super signal indicator? Setup candle, trigger candle. I was just a little bit late pulling the trigger, but I knew it was going to go down and give me some pips. And it draws your attention, when to take the trade going in the direction of the daily trade plan. Moving right along, let's see now, the pound New Zealand. Here we go, another one I wanted to be selling. There's the arrow, the pound, and the New Zealand. They are both bus drivers. Pound is less than 20% or less, and New Zealand is 80% or more. And that is why it's giving a lovely big push. Look at that, 185 pips. So let's see where I got in at. Took the trade here. Market's very random. Did it one more cycle, and then it went down. And I knew with 95% certainty it was going to go down. And it did end up paying roughly 53 pips. Looks like those 53 pips paid out, looks like, let's see, $3,139. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, the S&P 500. Now this one pays $5 for each tick. I took the money, divided it by 5, and calculator says it's 77 ticks. So I took the trade at this cursor, closed it out here, did qualify for a great way to trade, had a sell signal right here. Everything looked perfect. So a little bit late pulling the trigger, but I knew it was going to go down and give me some pips. And as I said, should be 77. There it is right there. You remove the last digit, so it's 77 times 5 times the 10 lots. Paid out $3,875. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, pound dollar. This one pays $10 for each pip because the USD is on the right hand side. So let's see now, pound dollar, wanted to be selling it, did qualify for a great way to trade. The pound is a bus driver. Many things telling me it's going to go down, so that's what I did. I sold it. And let's see, looking at the money, don't need a calculator for this. So it should show 50. Should be 50. And there it is right there, 50 pips times the $10 times the 10 lots, paid out $5,000. Okay, let's move on to the last trade, the NASDAQ. Love trading the NASDAQ as it pays $20 for each tick. Wanted to be selling it. According to the daily trade plan, everything looked good for going down. There's our super signal here and here saying to sell. Pretty clear as far as I'm concerned. There's your setup candle. That's your trigger candle. Another trigger candle over here. Got in the trade. I took the money and divided it by 20, and the calculator says it's 76. So there it is right there, 76, because you have to remove the last 2 digits, so it's 76 ticks times the 20 times the lot sizes, paid out $15,240. Okay, looks like another great day of trading. I just added up all the pips and the ticks. I knew it was going to be, around 300, and the total came to 318. And those 318 pips and ticks ended up paying out $30,748. So if your system is not producing on a daily basis like my Pro Trader system, I suggest you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now if you look right below this video, you'll see 4 different packages. I recommend, of course, you get all 4 of them, as you're going to need a combination of different things if you want to succeed at trading. So I have an ongoing special. If you buy 2, I'll give you 1 of the packages for free. Keep in mind that each package I do charge $250. Here's the Pro Trader system. This is where all the training videos are. And of course, this is the Daily Trade Plan Expert Advisor. Tells me whether I should be buying and or selling. So let's say you ended up buying these 2. Well, I'll give you 1 of the next 2 for free. And in this package, it's an excellent system by itself. It's the Easy Trader system with the Super Signal Indicator. Has 3 videos focusing on the Super Signal Indicator. So you can either take this one for free, or you can take How I Trade Live, Advanced Trading Tips. Now there's over 2 gigabytes of training. There's 20 training videos, roughly 20 to 30 minutes long each. So there's a lot of good training within these videos. And the other one that has a lot of good training is within these videos right here. As there's well over 3 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Included are 2 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Threw in a lot of bonus material stuff, books, and Word documents. Now there's a lot of different ways to trade. I do teach a lot of different ways. That's why there's 22 training videos, about 20 minutes long each. Now, of course, at any point during this video, or you can back it up, just put it on pause and you can read what is in each and every one of these packages. The reason why I trade with really good results day in and day out is because I use all of these 4 packages. It's the education within it. It helps my trading a lot. So after you read all of this, if you have any questions at all, simple, pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Now, if you live too far, well, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here. I really do prefer Skype. Made it easy for you. All you got to do is click on this link. We'll have immediate connection through Skype. And through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. I'll answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks, and whatever else. And keep in mind, I do all of that with no obligation to you. So, looks like it's time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, hopefully it'll be tomorrow. Should be, as long as there's no distractions. I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.